Hello you lot. Yep, another day, another video, and in this one I'm going to try and do my window tint. What could possibly go wrong? Well, as some of you would have seen in a previous video, I removed the rear tint on the car because the rear screen had some kind of funny reaction and it all flaked off inside the car, and basically I was breathing it in. It was yeah, very odd. I was told it was factory fitted tinted windows, but it was far from that. So I've gone to get some more tint, but I've actually gone for, I believe, a lower percentage. So hopefully it will just take that little bit of edge off in the back, but it won't give it that black fan look. And also, as I said previously, because I do a lot of nighttime driving, can make it difficult. The reverse light on these cars is quite a wee little thing, so which I'm actually looking at getting an LED put into, just to brighten it up. But anyway, yeah, let's unpack the tinting, give the glass inside a bit of a clean, and see what happens. So one of the things I will do is, it may be too sunny, but I'm going to remove the parcel shelf. Does anybody else's parcel shelf squeak? Mine seems to. Well, not so much squeak. I did wonder whether it was actually the rear seats not pinched. Could be the rear seats. Right, yeah. So it may be too sunny, but and I'm not too sure where I'm going to lay the tint and film out to. But obviously I'm going to give this a quick clean. I'll go and grab the roll of tint. I got it off eBay, like everything. That's who supplied it to me. I can't remember the exact cost, but I shall put it in the WIT video now, so it should appear on the screen. Let's get it unpacked and have a quick look, because I'm not too sure what's included other than the pre-cut. Comes in a nice roll. That's obviously the tint. It's like opening an ancient scroll. Nice little leaflet. and view our fitting videos online. Oh, well, there we go. It says how to fit pre-cut. How to fit pre-cut. Right. I may go and watch those just to see what they say and then come back and make a start. So, I've got a bottle of soapy water. I've got my little applicator that I use for my graphics. I've unrolled the sheet for the rear window, and as you may be able to see, it's got this handy cut line. So yeah, you cut around this bit, that's your excess that you don't need. And it's templated, obviously, for the rear window. So let's give it a go. Well, that was fairly easy. That is the easy bit. Next thing I'm going to do is literally soak this with my soapy water. And then this piece, as you can see, that bit lifts there, but you spray the back of it where the adhesive is. So let's give that a go and see what happens when I offer it up on the car. Yay. Right, I'm just squeegeeing the centre out. It'd be hard to see, but there's obviously lines, but as the water goes, I should be able to get all those out, and it should start to look a bit better. So let's do the two sides and see how they go.